Hi guys, this is Meherzad Karanjia, and today I'm going to answer a very common question that's thrown at me. Does paid traffic result in SEO? Well, the short answer to this is no. But if you think of it, there is some amount of psychological impact that paid traffic can have on your SEO, and let me explain further. So take an example. You are searching for something on Google, and the first few results are dominated by ads. You may not click on the ad, but the fact that you saw the brand advertising will leave a psychological impact on you. And the next time you search for anything on Google, you're more receptive to that brand. And hence, from my experience, I've noticed that every time a brand does a successful SEM campaign, in the long run, it sees a lot more SEO traffic flowing in too. So do back your SEO campaigns with SEM campaigns, though they may not have a direct relation with each other. But in the long run, it will just help the health of your website. So that's it from me for this video. If you enjoyed this tip, then scroll down. In the description, there's a link to a more detailed course. Simply follow it and enroll it. I promise you it will help make SEO far more simple for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so that you are the first ones to know when IIDE uploads a new video. That's it from me. See you again soon.